there, fellow crazy people. It's Wednesday. It's like 75 degrees and humid. Gonna be a high 92 today. And there's a 25% chance of rain, but I'm gonna ride to work. You know why? Because a 25% chance of rain means there's a 75% chance it's not gonna rain. Plus, I have my Ziploc rain gear. It'll be fine. Full tank of gas, plenty of time to get to work. I'm trying a new microphone placement. Maybe it won't be jammed against my mouth. Maybe, just maybe, you'll hear me a little better. If not, I got camera bits to buy. Let's go before I'm late. Make sure top box is good. Door's locked. Good for you, Chuck. Dang it, now I have to check. This has got to be mental illness. Okay, friends. So, during this ride, I don't know how much of it will make it to the video, but during this ride, pay attention when I roll off the throttle, how the bike decels, and decels kind of hard. Like right about meow. Not so bad there, because I was probably easy, skank. There's a white line there for a reason. And a yellow line for that matter. Who's the rage? Anyhow, these bikes tend to decel hard. There's a clutch bypass that I got from Rocky Mountain ATV. I think I'm going to have a free evening to myself for a while. So I may try to pop that in after I get home. Bypassing that clutch switch tells the computer that the clutch is in or out. It's supposed to let it not hit your brake so hard. There's that decel. And it's usually not terrible. I survived work. Let's go home. No rain. And away we go. I'm back with my Kawasaki clutch switch bypass multi-fit 2008 up KLR650 from 3D Cycle Parts. We're going to try it out and hopefully have enough battery to take a little ride and see if it does what I want. That little guy right there. Let's see if I can do this. Oh wait, first I want you to hear what happens when I'm letting the clutch in and out. I gotta be quick because it is super hot. Alright, hear it running. Now watch my left hand. You hear the idle change? That would be really awesome for a beginning rider. Now it won't settle down, but anyhow, you heard it. Gently. Okay. There's a little tab underneath. Gotta push the tab. There it goes. Alright.
Now, I take this bypasser, slide it on, and we are a small black zip tie away from having it whipped. There it is. I'll put you back on my helmet and we'll see what that does. It is hot. Full disclosure, I only have this helmet on because you're on my face. Alright. First things first, they alleged it'll start without the clutch pulled in. I am in neutral. Okay. Yeah, clutch was out, so be aware of that. Let's see if it does the speed up rev thing. It does not. Okay. Oh wow, that's amazing. See how it just... That sounds a little rougher because I was in second gear and I whacked on it. Let's go to first. Okay. Yeah, that's what a bike feels like every other bike I've ridden. Now watch here. Coming to the stop sign. Let off. I coast. I can freewheel nice and easy. I already like it. Once again, the clutch lever test. Yeah, see, normally it would have sped up by the time I got to there. Like I said, probably makes it more beginner friendly. But I'm no expert, but I'm not a beginner either. That was well worth whatever I spent on it. Yeah, before if I just snapped loose, it'd be nose diving right now and I'd be going about 20 instead of 28. That made it much better mannered. I don't know if that would help, hurt, or otherwise on an off-road situation, but here in town I can let off without it. It would literally pull the front end down. Ugh, missed that pothole. So yeah, I'll have to get a couple more rides in, but it feels more like other motorcycles I've ridden. And if I don't like it, all I have to do is unplug it. So anyhow, if you watched this far, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, likes and subscribes are free. I'll slowly be modifying this KLR as it suits me, so stay tuned for that. I'll catch you later. Keep riding, keep wrenching, all that other good stuff. Bye.